Now see the 13th one question. 12th one will be for the last. Okay, in that case you will have to make all the outcomes, that's why. So in the 13 questions they are saying 8 defective toys are mixed with 92 good toys. So what will be the total number of toys now? Total toys are 100. This is your total outcome, you can say. Now they are asking one toy is drawn at random from this lot, and what is the probability of that this toy is defective. So we will have to find the probability of getting a defective toy. So what is the possible favorable outcome? What is favorable here? Favorable here is the number of defective toys. So they are 8. That is favorable outcome na, कि we need the defective toy. So probability of coming a defective toy will be the favorable outcome upon total outcome. The total is 100. That will be 8 upon 100. It will be, it is divisible by 2. So it will be 4 upon 50. Again it is divisible by 2. That is 2 upon 25. So the probability of getting a defective toy is 2 upon 25. Now we come to the terminal exercise. In the terminal exercise, in question number 2, it has been said that a card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. The well shuffled deck is of the total 52 cards, so total outcomes would be 52. Now they are saying what is the probability is that the card is your face card or red color. So favorable outcome is face card of red color. That is your. So they are asking for the favorable outcome, face card of red color. Now how many face cards are there total? If we see, we have basically 3 face cards, that is king, queen and J. Okay, king, queen and J, they would be in the 4 sets. They all are in the 4 sets. In one set that is heart, in one set it's diamond, in one it is deck, in one it is ace. So you know the heart is of red color and the diamond is of red color. So they are asking the face card of red color. So how many cards will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cards will be there. So the number of favorable outcome will be 6. So the probability of getting the red face color card will be, the favorable outcomes is 6 upon total outcomes is 52. Now simplify it. It is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. So probability of getting the face color of red card will be 3 upon 26. Okay. Question number 3. I have told you in the form of example. 2 coins are tossed together. There are 2 coins. So total outcomes will be 4. That is tail tail, head head, head tail and tail head. They will be the total possible outcomes. they are asking what is the probability of getting at least one head. So favorable outcome is getting at least one head is head head comma tail tail, sorry, head tail and tail head. These are the favorable outcomes in which at least one time the head is coming, that is your 3. So what will be the probability of getting at least one head? It will be possible outcomes upon total outcomes. So it is also very easy. And question number 4, 5 and 6 I'll tell you later when I will tell you